Hey, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to show you how to retrieve the Wi-Fi passwords for the networks your smartphone has previously connected to. And all this in less than 1 minute. And for this video, I'm gonna be using an Android phone. However, if you have an iPhone, I'm going to link a video at the end so you can also know how to do this process. So let's get to it. To begin, we're going to look for settings. And then you're going to tap on connections. And now we'll look for Wi-Fi and tap on Wi-Fi. After this, you will select these three dots on the top. And now select Advanced Settings. And right there, you're going to see Manage Networks. So select Manage Networks. And this will show you a list of all the Wi-Fi networks your phone has connected to. Now just tap on the Wi-Fi network that you want to find the password for. And there you go. Now you have all the information about this Wi-Fi network. And to see the password, just tap on this icon right here. And your phone is going to ask for the PIN code. So once you have entered the PIN code, your phone is going to show you the password for this Wi-Fi network. And now you can connect another device to this network using this password. And that's it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, please help me out by subscribing to this channel. That really means a lot to me. And thanks so much for watching. Bye bye now. You take care.